Whenever you see your ventilated patient getting deteriorated, just think about the DOPE approach. So DOPE. D stands for the displacement. It means your ET tube might have moved. Accidental extubation can happen. So for the signs you will get, your chest rise will decrease. You will have the unequal air entry on the both sides, and you will lose your capnography. So what you can do, you can just check the tube marking, confirm the tube position. If position is not adequate, tube have moved inside or out, then just extubate and re-intubate your patient. Next is O for the obstructions. So obstruction can happen due to the mucus plug, king tube, patient biting. These all can lead to the high airway pressure. Suction catheter will not pass. So what we have to do, we have to just do the suction by putting the airway, unkink the tube, or consider the changing the ET tube. Next, P stand for the pneumothorax. So pneumothorax can lead due to the barotrauma, tension pneumothorax. So if this will happen, patient will have the sudden hypoxia, he can have the hypotension, absent breath sound in one side. If you find all these finding, we have to do the immediate needle decompression or chest tube insertion or ICD insertion. Next, E stand for the equipment failure. So ventilator circuit can happen with the malfunction or ventilator leak. So ventilator alarm will be up. So your ventilator will alarm despite of improvement in this setting. So what we have to do during this equipment failure, we have to just disconnect the patient from the ventilator and do the bag mask ventilator, or just ventilate the patient and check the circuit from the one side to other side. You can start with the patient end and go till the ventilator end. So this is all about the DOPE approach. Thanks for the watching. Thank you. If you want this note, just message DOPE. I'll share this note. Thank you.